Here's how you can turn boring text responses into creative and interactive, stunning visual response using this feature of Google Gemini. Head to gemini.google.com and select Tools and select the visual layout and enter a prompt for which you want a visually interactive response. I'll select the fast model for a quick answer and hit send. And it has started working on my response, so let's wait for the output. It is ready with the output, and honestly this looks something like a digital magazine with all the different headings and interactive buttons. It is showing me precisely an itinerary for my trip, and it has asked me different questions which I can answer, like what are my priorities. I would say traditional and culture. I would describe the desired pace. I would go for something in between, and you can see how interactive it is. I will fill in these details as well and submit it, and you can see that it is creating another response according to the choices that I have made, and it is now ready, and we can see a revised itinerary according to the choices that I made. And I like how concise and compact this is. So just like that, you can change your boarding layouts into visually appealing responses.